Okay, so if you have an Android device, you can go ahead, and if you don't have an Android device, that's fine. Just listen in, and then I'll then make the next video what to do if you don't have an Android device. Okay, so if you do have an Android device, you're going to want to download the MIT App Inventor app on your phone. Like if you go MIT App Inventor for Android, download, and let's look at, I should probably just look at the Google Play Store. I wonder if it allows me to actually look at this. Yeah, this right here. The MIT App Inventor 2 Companion. You're going to want to download this. If you have an Android device, don't download it on your computer. Download it on your phone. Okay, this is if you have an Android device. If you have an Android device, download this, MIT AI2 Companion. If you know, my old phone that I had like a couple years ago was an Android, go ahead and see if you can start it back up and charge it and use it. If you don't have an Android device, that's fine. Most people don't. I realize that. But we're learning how to make an Android app first, and then we're going to make an iOS app later, a different day. So we're going to look at this MIT AI2 Companion, which is App Inventor 2 Companion, and you're going to download it on your phone. Okay, once you've downloaded it, you're going to get a screen that looks like this, right? Not this. Looks like this. And you're going to scan a code in order to connect it. So like if I wanted to like see what my app really looked like on a phone, I would click up here where it said connect. And remember, this is only for those with Android devices. I'll make another one for iOS next. But if you have an Android device and you click on AI Companion, this QR code pops up, and you're going to want to look at, it says scan the QR code. If I click on my Android device where it says scan QR code, I can read this code, and then it will take like, once you've scanned it, literally set your phone down and don't touch it. Because like if you like scan the code and then click connect with code immediately afterwards, when it gets back to this screen, it's going to start to get confused. I know, it's kind of dumb, but scan the QR code and then literally just set your phone down and wait for it. And you're going to wait probably like maybe 10 seconds. And then all of a sudden it will pop up. And on your Android device, you'll be able to see what it really looks like, right? So that's what you would do if you have an Android device and you could actually test it out. Another thing you could do is you could connect it with a USB as well. So AI Companion is App Inventor Companion app, and USB. You can use these two options if you have an Android. If you don't have an Android device, we are going to use the emulator, which is going to be in the next example. If at any point you need to reset your connection, let's say it just says the connection cut out, you click these options right here, hard reset or a reset connection, refresh, whatever you need to for Android devices. But we're going to talk about the emulator next. Many of you probably don't have Android devices, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the emulator.